Hello everyone, today I'm looking at a new feature in Go that is how to use partial payment for invoices. By using this feature, people can pay a percentage of amount specified for the invoicing dashboard for the sub account, and the remaining will be paid via one-time or recurring invoices. Okay, for paying, we can use only the payment gateway as Stripe or authorize.net r/NMI is integrated. And for accessing this feature, first you have to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and click on payments. After clicking on payments, I will see a bunch of payments here, but I'm showing a sample. Here I'm showing a after getting into payments, I will get into invoices. After getting invoices, like I will see a payments paid. In this case, I have partially paid one invoice here. After that, remaining I need to pay. For that, I need to click on after getting into that payment settings. Here I can select the payment settings for a specific X days. I can pay the amount and I can allow the partial payments like 50% or 60%. I need to allow it. After allow it, I can save it. After that, I will get a invoice will be generated. In this invoice, this specific amount has to be paid partially, and the remaining amount will be paid. At last, we will get the invoice, fully paid invoice. This is the invoice we'll be getting, and by using this, we can get to know that we have paid the fully payment. Thank you.